Shyamdani from LPR Public School. Welcome to online class. This is online class of English grammar. In this video, I will tell you about chapter 19, that is question track. Let's see what is question track. First of all, you have to know what is a question and how it can make a question track. As you know, there are many kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. And we have also learned about interrogative sentence and its kinds. In this video, I will tell you about question track, how to make a question track. A question track, it is a group of words that comes at the end of the sentence and make it question is called question track. First, let's see with definitions and examples. Definition is definition of question track. First, question tag you can say it is a group of words. It is a group of words that comes at the end of sentence. It is a group of words that comes at the end of sentence and makes it interrogative. And make it interrogative is called, you can say in place of interrogative you can also write question. Make it question. Question or interrogative is called question tag. Question tag. Now we will see the types of question tag. Question tag are of two types. It is in positive and also in negative. So let's see. First we see the types and then with example all. Question tag is of two types. First, question tag is first is positive. Positive tag. It means when our question is in positive form, then we say it is a positive question tag, and it is also in negative form. Negative. You can say question of tag. It is negative and positive both. So now let's see the examples of negative. First we see the example of positive and then we see the example of negative. Before giving the example, I want to know you the rules of question tag. So first we see the rules of question tag. That are here are the some important rule of changing a question tag. When we change a statement into a question, the question tag will always have the same tense as the word. It means when we change a statement into a question tag, then their tense should not be changed. It remains same as its word. Now, the second is the subject in the statement match the subject in the tag. It means when what is the subject of our statement, it remains same in the question tag when we form it question. Now, if the positive statement, if our statement is in positive, then our tag is in negative. A positive statement tags negative tag, question tag. It means if our statement is in positive, then our question tag is in negative. And if our question is in negative form, then our question tag is in positive. So the last one is the negative statement tags positive question tag. When we ask statement in positive, then our question tag is in negative. And when we say statement in negative form, then our question tag is in positive form. These are the rules of changing a question tag from statement to a question tag. Now let's see the examples of these tags. Let's see example. First we see the example of positive statement. That is, first we see positive statement. That is, positive statement. In this example, you will see positive statement to change into negative tag. And example is first example. Let she has a car. This is a statement and this is in positive. When we make in question tag, it becomes she has a car, hasn't she? Here, this is question tag of the sentence. She has a car, hasn't she? Hasn't she? Here in this sentence, I have changed the positive statement into negative tag by adding short questions. Here, by adding short question, hasn't she? It is your interrogative. By adding a small word, hasn't she? I have made the sentence in question tag. It means question form. And the group of words which make this sentence interrogative, or you can say in question form, is said to be question tag. The group of words you got in my the group of words which comes here is form a question tag. Question tag. Here the group of words which make this sentence in interrogative form, that is called question tag, and hence it is in negative, so it can say it is a negative tag. When this question is in positive, then it will be said to be a positive tag. Let's see another example. Food is delicious. Isn't it? Isn't it? And now it become question tag. Here, the food is delicious is a statement sentence, and the sentence is in positive form. When I make this in question tag, isn't it? The word isn't it is a group of word which added in this sentence, and this sentence become in interrogative form, and this is the question tag of this sentence. Here the question tag is isn't it is a question tag, and since it is a negative, so we can say negative question tag. It is a negative question tag, and here also it is a negative question tag. With a positive statement, we can form a negative question tag. Now let's see a negative statement, and we will form a positive question tag. Now let's see the examples of negative statement. A negative statement form a positive question tag. So with this example, we can form positive question tag. The question and example says first, you haven't slept, and this is our sentence. If I want to make it question tag, then we add just I add here. Have you, and it become a positive tag. Here I added have you. It is a positive tag, and the whole sentence changed into interrogative form. In this way, a negative statement make a positive question tag. Let's see another example. She doesn't like salads. See, does not, or you can say doesn't like salad. This is a negative statement. When we make it to question tag, it forms a positive tag, that is doesn't she. Now this sentence change into negative, from negative statement to positive question tag, and here does she make it interrogative form, and it is a positive question tag. I hope you have understood. Thank you for the watching.